this was shared with me, so I can share it with you. And this is a 4-foot by 50-foot privacy fence. So you can basically put this across in front of your chain link, or if you want to put it on your balcony or anywhere you want to screen and have some privacy. So we actually have an area here where we have our chain link, and we had taken it down for a little bit. We're going to put it back up and then put this privacy fence there. So it gives you a little bit of privacy if you're in your driveway or whatever. So check this out. Get this unwrapped. There's your information. It comes in a variety of different colors. This here is the brown. It comes with these little zip ties that you can attach it to your fence with. So we'll just get this unwrapped. It does have eyelets here, so you can attach that if you have a balcony, or if you want to tag it to your chain link or your fencing. You have that option. It has quite a few eyelets in it. And again, this is 4 feet by 50, so it's very long. I'm just going to get this laid out here so we can get an idea of how we want to put it against the fence. So that is half of it. You can see there, that is half the length. So we can open that up and we'll have the whole way. And that should work about perfectly. This way our puppy doesn't see what's happening in the garage and try to come out the yard. You want some help? So here you can see the finished product, and there is the barrier. And it has, just put it up along the chain link, and then we just use these zip ties, which we can snip off then if you want to, or tuck them behind, however you want to do that. And so that is, again, 4 feet by 50 feet. So that runs there along our parking area. You can see here, I'm going to switch this so you can see how far it is. See if we switch this around, and voila. So there you go. It goes the whole way back behind our vehicles, and then follows all through here and then over to this side. So again, it's a nice little privacy barrier there. And this way our puppy won't see us coming home. So I'm very happy with that. It has a nice natural look to it. And this is the brown, 4 feet by 50 foot. So check it out if you're looking for a nice privacy barrier.